Let me see him eating it. Here, eat it. Max, just distracting him. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Isaac, he likes it. He's getting sick again.
What are you doing?
Oh look, he loves grabbing it. And smearing it around.
And throwing it. You clean it up.
It's brown rice noodles.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh, nom, nom.